What's the meaning of aftercare? Aftercare. 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 Aftercare refers to the ongoing support and treatment that an individual receives after receiving medical or therapeutic care. The purpose of aftercare is to ensure that the individual continues to heal and recover, while also reducing the risk of relapse or other complications. Aftercare services can include follow-up appointments, counseling, medication management, and ongoing monitoring of symptoms or progress. By providing comprehensive aftercare, healthcare professionals can help individuals achieve better outcomes and maintain their health and wellness over time. Overall, aftercare serves as an essential component of a holistic approach to healthcare and recovery.